Hi everybody, how are you doing? Well, my name is Tanveer and I welcome all of you to my channel. So, in this video, I'm gonna teach you and I'm gonna demonstrate how you can build your own virtual lab on your laptop or desktop, and you can practice whatever you want. You can create virtual machines, you can install Windows Server, Windows 10, Linux, or whatever operating system you want to install on virtual machine, and you can practice anything. Okay, so this let me just give you a brief introduction about this video, okay, so that you can understand what you are going to learn. So this would be a very basic from the beginning. Those who does not know, who doesn't have any idea how to start from scratch, so this will be beneficial for them. Okay, so I'll guide you step by step. Watch till the end and stay with me. Okay, alright, so I'll show you how you can enable Hyper-V. So Hyper-V is actually it is inbuilt feature of Windows 10. So what you have to do, you just need to enable this feature from control panel. Okay, so go to control panel and go to programs and features. On the left panel you will see turn on Windows feature on or off. Click on that. So this will populate all the programs which you want to enable. Okay, so in this case you have to just check this box Hyper-V. Okay, because it is already installed, so it is checked. You have to check this. Click OK, then it will be enabled on your laptop or desktop. Okay, so once you do this, you have to open Hyper-V manager. So here you will find I already have two machines, virtual machines created, that is listed here. One I have installed Windows 10 client machine, another one is Windows Server 2016 installed. So for demonstration I will show you how you can create a virtual machine in Hyper-V. Okay, so either you can go to action and click new, then virtual machine, or you can simply right click here, go to new, then virtual machine. This wizard will guide you step by step. You just follow that, click next, give a name to the virtual machine, whatever you want to give, it's up to you. You can it is better to mention name so that you can have idea what this virtual machine is about. Okay, like you can mention client 1 to Windows 10 7 or Windows Server 2016 DC or something like that. Okay, so once you mention the name, suppose we mention DC 1, then go next, select generation. This is about your feature of inbuilt feature of your virtual machine. In generation 1, this is older version. In generation 2, this is updated version, which you will have a UEFI based firmware. So better click generation 2, and it supports only 64-bit architecture operating system. Okay, so click next, and here you can specify how much memory you want to allocate. This is a RAM memory. Okay, so you can use dynamic option. It will dynamically increase whatever amount of memory it needed, it will increase and decrease as per the requirement. So you can mention as per your memory requirement and the resources you have on your physical machine. So whatever you mention here, this will utilize from your physical machine. So be sure that you have enough space, enough resources on your physical RAM so that you can allocate memory. So keep in mind that you have to mention as per your resources. So suppose I mention 1 GB here, click next, and this is about your virtual switch. So you can select virtual switch here, or you can create later. So I already have created one virtual switch, that is internal switch. So I'm gonna selecting this one. I'll show you how you can create a virtual machine later as well. Okay, then go next. You have to specify your hard disk size, whatever you want to keep. Then you can choose location where you want to store hard disk. Okay, if you already have any virtual hard disk on your machine, you can use existing one. So these are the options. Then you click next. So let's keep 10 GB here. I'm gonna select external drive because I don't have much space on my laptop. Local drive. So I have created one folder, virtual machine. Go next. Here you can attach image file if you want to install operating system right now. Then you can select here, or if you want to do this later, you can select this install operating system later. So suppose if you have ISO file, image file, you can browse this, go wherever you have. I have ISO file here in this software, Windows operating system. These are the ISO file, so you can select anyone. Okay, click next. So once I finish this will create a virtual machine. Okay, and it will simultaneously install operating system. So this is just for demonstration purpose. I'm not gonna create virtual machine now because I already have created. So this is the whole steps basically you can create, and now I'll show you how you can create virtual switch. So actually for virtual switch I will make another demonstration, another video for better idea, because this will become a long video, so I don't want to mess up things. I'll show you, because in virtual switch there are lots of things, there are many categories, there are actually 3 types of switches, so I will explain each one, so that will be better. So you can watch my next video to have better idea. Okay, so for overview I can show you in this pane right hand side. You can see there is a virtual switch manager under Hyper-V. So these are the 3 types of switch you can create, and each has its own features. So you have to be very careful while selecting which kind of switch you are gonna create. Okay, so it is basically based on your requirement, what kind of virtual environment you want to create. Okay, so I'll explain this on next video. Okay, So I'll show you how you can start machine once your OS is installed and everything is set up. You can just go, let me just open this one, the Windows 10. Will take some time to open. So right, so this is how it looks like. Still connecting. Well, I'll show you how it looks like. So in my next series I'm gonna teach you the whole thing about server roles in client computers, how you can configure your client computers, and you can set up your server. I will start with promoting domain controller as a server. I will show you how to install Active Directory and all. Alright, so this is my virtual machine, Windows 10. Okay, you can, this is restarting, there might be some problem. Anyway, so you had basic idea in this video how you can first enable virtual machine on your laptop, Windows 10 machine, and then you can create virtual machines and you can install whatever operating system you want to install. Okay, so this is a very basic. So this is my virtual machine, and I'll show you how you can assign IPs and all as per the requirement. Whatever the LAN environment I will set up, I will show you accordingly. So as I told you, in next series I'm gonna show you how you can set up a domain controller. You can promote your server as a domain controller, domain services. You will create a forest domain, and then you will assign IP addresses and all, everything, many more actually. Further I will show you about DSCP, DNS, file server, ISKZ, whatever basically a server role performs. I'll show you everything step by step in different videos. So if you find this video informative, please like, share, comments, and don't forget to comment if you need any particular content. I'll try to make available. Okay, so for now, thank you for watching this video. I hope this has been informative for you.